Is not a linear scale. Are we getting ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready to go. Do you know about how loud, say, a jet engine is?
I don't know how loud a jet engine is. How loud?
It's probably around 100. Basically, let's try to beat 125. That's the high record so far from Sydney, Australia.
Sydney.
Okay, can you guys see this? Right now it says low. Is that clear?
Sort of.
Maybe I'll bring it closer.
Bring it to the light.
I'm gonna add some light.
There you go. There you go.
Okay. I'm gonna count down from 3, and I want you all to scream as loud as you can.
Oh my
Try
God.
to get this above 125, okay? 3, 2, 1. I think we broke it.